Steve here, NRC. I'm here with the Hornet. I don't know what went wrong with the speed run. Receiver just quit working, maybe interference, I don't know. I shut the radio off and put it back on. Seemed to work. So I'm here at the same spot. I'm just gonna give it a little run. Oh. What? Oh, shut off again. There must be something here, maybe? Yeah, now it's only going in reverse. Something's fishy. Something's fishy. We're gonna have to save this. Oh. Piece of crap. Piece of crap. The Hornet's giving me troubles. I think my ESC is bad. Maybe the motor's shorting out. It's not working. Oh, another video cut short. Something's fishy with the Hornet. Troubles. Troubles, troubles, troubles. I can't figure it out. Uh-oh. Looks like my ESC's messed up. Let me try wiggling these around. Oh, smoking up my paint. It's just going on. I think it's the radio. Turn it back on. Now it's working. The ESC ain't working. Strange. Damn Hornet's giving me problems, guys. Weird. I don't know why the light would be on when I have the power switch off. Now I turn it on. I turn the radio on. See what it does. It's not working. I think maybe my motor might be burnt. Remember I said it had smoke? Well, that's it for this, guys. I tried. I just want to show you this video. Show you do have problems sometimes. Thanks for watching. NRC out.